Many Samsung Galaxy users rely on the Good Lock app to unlock extra customization features that are not available by default in One UI. One of the most popular Good Lock modules is Sound Assistant. It gives users more control over volume levels, audio behavior, and sound output options. However, some users are now facing a frustrating issue with this module, and Samsung has finally responded with a promise to fix it soon. Sound Assistant is designed to make audio control easier and more flexible. One of its key features is the ability to choose the audio output device directly from the volume adjustment panel. This means you can quickly switch between your phone speaker, Bluetooth headphones, earbuds, or other connected devices without digging through settings. For many users, this feature is extremely useful in daily life. Recently, though, this feature has stopped working properly for some Galaxy phone owners. A Galaxy Z Fold 5 user shared their experience on the Samsung community forum, explaining that whenever they tapped the button to select the audio output device, the phone suddenly jumped to the lock screen. Instead of opening the audio output menu, the screen locked itself, which made the feature completely unusable. On top of that, the user also received a notification saying that the feature was not available. This made the situation even more confusing, especially since Sound Assistant is supposed to support this function. The user tried reinstalling the Sound Assistant app to see if that would fix the problem. After reinstalling, the error pop-up message disappeared, which seemed like a good sign at first. Unfortunately, the main issue did not go away. Even after reinstalling the app, tapping the audio output button still sent the phone straight to the lock screen. According to the user, both of these problems started right after installing the most recent update to the Sound Assistant app. This strongly suggests that the issue was introduced by the latest update rather than by the phone itself. Thankfully, Samsung did not ignore the complaint. One of Samsung's official moderators on the community forum responded to the report. The moderator confirmed that Samsung is aware of the issue and acknowledged that it is a bug in the Sound Assistant module. More importantly, they assured users that the company plans to fix the problem in the next update to the app. This is good news for anyone who depends on Sound Assistant for daily audio control. Bugs like this can be very annoying, especially when they affect features that users rely on regularly. Knowing that Samsung has identified the problem and is actively working on a fix should give users some peace of mind. If you are currently facing this issue on your Galaxy phone, there isn't much you can do right now except wait for the update. Reinstalling the app may remove certain error messages, but as reported, it does not fully solve the lock screen problem. The best option is to keep an eye out for the next Sound Assistant update and install it as soon as it becomes available. This issue also comes at a time when Samsung is making big changes to Good Lock as a whole. The company recently announced several new features and improvements for many Good Lock modules as part of the One UI 8.5 update. These upgrades are meant to bring even more customization options to Galaxy devices running Android 16 to PR2. Samsung is currently beta testing One UI 8.5 on the Galaxy S25 series. Once the testing phase is complete, the update is expected to roll out to more eligible devices. This rollout is likely to begin after Samsung officially launches the Galaxy S26 series. Along with One UI 8.5, updated versions of Good Lock modules, including Sound Assistant, should also be released. Overall, while the Sound Assistant bug is frustrating, it does not appear to be a long-term problem. Samsung has acknowledged the issue and committed to fixing it soon. Until then, affected users will need to be patient and avoid relying too much on the audio output selection feature inside Sound Assistant. If you use Good Lock regularly, this situation is also a reminder that experimental and advanced customization tools can sometimes break after updates. The positive side is that Samsung continues to support Good Lock actively and listens to user feedback. With the next update on the way, Sound Assistant should soon return to working as expected.